BD House is a contemporary residence that stands out for its use of cobogó, a three-dimensional element that preserves views of the house's interior while ensuring privacy for a young couple with two small children. Located in the heart of bustling São Paulo, Brazil, it was designed by Studio Arthur Casas as a reinterpretation of a welcoming home for a family seeking a serene retreat and a timeless connection with nature. The facade, made of cast-in-place reinforced concrete, incorporates embedded window frames and light fixtures during the pouring process. Its pigmentation required extensive testing and samples to achieve the ideal tone. As a result, the ochre-pigmented concrete became the starting point for defining the color palette of the other finishes and materials, such as wood, metals, and paints. With an extensive program on a compact lot, the house was organized into multiple levels connected by an elevator, facilitating vertical circulation. On the first floor, the open-concept living and kitchen areas are seamlessly integrated, along with a powder room, gourmet space, and garden. Each space was designed to blend harmoniously with the surrounding landscape. A light well was created to bring natural light and ventilation to the basement, where the garage, wine cellar, office, service area, and storage room are located. At BD House, the presence of trees and greenery acts as a natural extension of the residence. The landscaping was carefully designed to preserve mature trees around the construction, creating open-air spaces that encourage contemplation and interaction with nature. The interiors combine warmth and modernity, featuring pieces by renowned national and international designers such as Sergio Rodriguez, Charles Eames, Lina Bobardi, Jean Gillon, and Ricardo Fasanello. Along the side of the property, a rebar wall with a hanging garden was designed to support vegetation growth, creating a pleasant green divider between the street and the house. Furniture designed by Arthur Casas complements the setting, including the Apache dining table, Antigua coffee table, Emiliano, Basset, and Sinatra lamps, Xingu chair, Ripas chaise, and Jacaranda centerpiece. The upper floors house the children's suites, master suite, and guest suite. The rooftop is dedicated to leisure spaces, including a pool and deck.